here's something that I like to do when I'm taking something apart. Like say, for example, right here, the center support for the hood latch assembly and, you know, the grill, of course. You've got this bracket, which, you know, is just, it's got a stud on it. The bottom side here fastens to the center support in the bumper. And of course this comes up through the filler panel. And it's just got a stud on it with a nut. I like to clean all the threads on bolts that I take apart. You'll really be surprised, like if you at least make that effort, you'll really be surprised at how well some rusty bolts come apart. So we're going to do that right here, and I've got a tiny little wheel, which is going to be really difficult to get much of that cleaned off, but just for demonstration purposes, if I show you the back side of that, you can see that just running the wire brush on that, it actually came out pretty clean. And so I put a bit of penetrating oil or some kind of lubricant on it, WD-40, whatever, and I would expect that should just turn right off of there. And I like to do that for any of them that I can reach. I'll use a Dremel with a wire wheel on the end if it's really difficult to get to. Now I put some WD-40 on it. You can see that it's nice and clean, at least on the one side. I didn't do anything heroic with this one, just because it looks pretty good. So we're gonna turn that one off, remove it. It feels like it's loose on the bottom side. Could be maybe the fastener's broken on the bottom side, or it's, I don't know, broke off, something. I'll have to go take a look at it. Yeah, so that one came off easy, and I was right. The bolt on the bottom side was missing. I'm guessing that they were thinking of taking parts off this car at one time, so they did some work, but didn't complete the job. So anyways, that made my job easy. And now I have to own up to a post-production mistake. When I was taking the bumper off, I thought my GoPro was on. It was off, and I missed all that. So I don't have the bumper coming off video. But who hasn't seen a bumper fall on the floor, right?